guys, welcome back to my channel. So how to make a PC fast tutorial. Let's get into it. So you move to your start menu, then type in run, open, then msconfig. Locate boot at the top, advanced options, number of processor, increase it. Yours might be 8, yours might be 4, depending. If it's 8, I recommend you go for 5 or 6. So I'll go for 4 in my case. With this, leave it blank. Okay. Then you apply. Okay. Then you restart your machine. So after you restart your machine, you'll see your PC goes 10 times faster than how it used to be. Great. Please subscribe.